pH scale. So basically pH scale, it ranges from, it basically it ranges from 0 to 14. 0 to 14. So it measures the acidity. It measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. So basically it tells how much, it measures how much the solution is acidic or how much it is alkaline. So it measures the acidity or alkalinity of a solution. It can be measured, by pH probe. It can be measured by an instrument which is known as pH probe. So pH probe is basically a device that tells us the concentration of hydrogen ion in a solution. It is a device that tells, device or instrument that tells concentration of H positive ions in a solution. So pH can be measured by pH probe or by universal indicator. So universal indicator is basically a chemical solution that produces different color changes, like that shows different colors corresponding to different pH levels. So you will understand it with this picture. Okay, so basically this is the pH scale. This is over here. This is a pH scale, right? So pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. So at 7, it is neutral. At 7 it is neutral. So 7 represents, yes. So just a second, I'm writing it over here. Okay, so 7 means 0 till 7, 0 till 7 till 14. All right, so from 0 till 7, if it shows a reading, if it shows a value from 0 till 7, it means it is acidic. The solution is acidic. And if it gives a reading from 7 to 14, it means it is alkali. It is alkali. And if the reading is exactly at 7, if the reading is exactly at 7, so that represents neutral. So 0 to 7 is acidic, 7 is neutral, and 7 to 14, like 8 to 14. 8 to 14 is alkali. Okay, so strength of acid or strength of alkali increases when we go away from 7. It means if it is 0, 1, 2, so basically it represents strong acid. We know that it is acid as it is in the range of acidic solution. So it would be strong acid. It would be strong acid. So strength of acidity or strength of alkalinity increases when we go away from 7. When we go away from 7, strength increases. So it is more acidic at 0, 1, 2 instead of 5, 6. So 5, 6 is a weak acid. 5, 6 is a weak acid as it is nearer to 7. Likewise 8, 9, it is a weak alkali as it is nearer to 7. But if it is 13, 14, if it is 13, 14, or even 12, then it would be considered as a strong alkali. It would be considered as a strong alkali. Strong acid over here, strong alkali. All right. So this is the information regarding pH scale. So strong acid means it has more H positive ions. It has more H positive ions. More H positive. When it has more H positive ions, it is more. It is strong acid. So strong alkali means it has more. It has more concentration of OH negative ions over here. It has OH negative. It has a lot of OH negative ions. And at 7 it has equal amount of H positive and OH negative ions. It has equal amount of H positive and OH negative ions, so it is considered as neutral. So this is a pH scale. Universal indicator is basically a chemical solution that shows different color changes corresponding to different pH levels. So for example, universal solution will show us a color of light green. It will show us a color of light green if it has a pH 5. If it has a pH 5, it will show us color light green. So this chart comes with the universal indicator solution. So if its color is, let's say, purple, if its color is purple, it means it has a pH value of 14. Okay, and whatever the stuff it is written here, 0 for battery acid, stomach acid, it's just for general knowledge, but not in our specification. So the content which I have just told you, this content is in our specification. All right, please note it down.